Hey guys, this is my 96 Ford E350 Club Wagon, and the windshield is quite cracked, like everywhere. And I got a guy coming out tomorrow to replace it, and he said I could save about 30 bucks if I took everything apart. And I kind of wanted to do that anyways because I'm painting the van and like going through the whole thing because I'm doing a camper conversion on this. So anyways, let's go ahead and get the wipers and this front cowl off. Also, whenever working on vehicles, good idea to wear some safety glasses so you don't poke your eye out. All right, let's go ahead and open the hood, and I'm gonna remove this seal. I kind of need a new one anyways because it doesn't hold on to there anymore. But we'll go ahead and pull this off, and we could probably just kind of close it down. You don't have to close it all the way yet, just in case. So these wiper arms appear to be the exact same size, and so do the wipers. So we shouldn't have to mark them, and it won't matter if we mix them up. Next, we can remove the wipers, and we'll go ahead and pull this one up like that. And there's this little tab right here, and I'll take a flathead screwdriver and move this guy out. And then let's see. Wow, it just pops right off. That is super trick. Normally there's like a bolt and you have to get a special puller to pop them off, but Ford made it easy. And then we'll do the same with the other side. You almost can pull this little tab with your hands. Kind of just wiggle it a little bit and it comes right off. Next guys, for this cowl panel, we just have a whole bunch of little Phillips screws that we have to remove. All right, all the screws appear to be the same size. And also, unfortunately, this was already cracked, but I can show you guys how to fix this with some hot staples. I made a different video on that. But anyways, this should just pull off now. Actually, we may have to open the hood. I did actually miss a couple screws, it looks like. And it looks like it comes off as two pieces. You just have to kind of get it around there. And also the washer nozzles are part of it. And you just have to twist and pull off the hose. Just be careful not to break it. And the same with the other side as well. And now we can take a good look under the windshield. Make sure there's no rust, and this looks great. Well guys, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.